How's it going, everyone? My name is Jeff from Zappos.com, and today I'm here to show you the Sonic from Tsukihoshi Kids. Now, this shoe is specifically designed with the comfort and health of your child's foot in mind. Now, first you have the forefoot here. This shoe is a little wider than normal shoes, and that is going to allow your child's feet to rest naturally in here without feeling constrained by the sides of the shoe, which is great for increased stability and balance. You have a hook and loop closure with elastic laces, so this is going to be super easy to adjust, and it's going to give you that nice secure fit. Plenty of cushioning around the collar. The footbed is padded as well, so you get that comfort from there. Now, the footbed is a green tea infused antibacterial removable footbed, so that's going to be great for the health of your child's foot. You have a pull tab on the heel and on the tongue for easy on and off, and this all sits on top of this flex joint outsole, which is going to allow your child's foot to bend properly. Super flexible, ultra lightweight, and you also get this really nice heel counter for extra support. Don't forget to add a pair to your cart today from Tsukihoshi Kids.